Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 13th April 2025. Title of Murli. From the beginning of this year, let your attitude of unlimited disinterest emerge. This is the key for the gate to the land of liberation. Bap Dada said, when the new year comes, you give each other gifts for just one day. However, Bap Dada has given all of you the gift of such a golden world, which is going to last for many births. Now the speed of time is moving at a fast pace. So check how was the speed of my efforts in the result of the whole year? Further Baba said, looking at the conditions of the world, now emerge your two forms. Firstly, be merciful towards everyone, and secondly, always remain a master bestower towards every soul. At this time, the souls of the world are completely powerless, unhappy and restless and are crying out. Don't you worthy of respect souls have mercy? O children of the bestower! Now, through your elevated thoughts, through the power of the mind, through words, through relationships and connections, by any method, give them liberation. In order to bring benefit to the world, every child has to become the right hand of the Father. Finally, Baba said, now make intense efforts to make your state superior. In that too, check 4 things in particular. First checking is whether you have the feeling of being an instrument. Is there any feeling of I or mine in the royal form? Second checking is whether you have the feeling of humility. Third checking is to what extent have you built with the feeling of being an instrument and humility. Then the fourth is the nirvana stage. Only when you yourself are in the nirvana stage will you be able to take others to the abode of nirvana. Blessing for today. May you make your stage constant and stable by practicing concentration and stability, and thereby become an embodiment of total success. When you have concentration, you will automatically have a constant and stable stage. With concentration, all wasteful thoughts, words and actions finish and everything is filled with power. Concentration means to remain stable in one elevated thought, in which the expansion of the whole tree is merged. Increase your concentration and all types of upheaval will finish. All of your thoughts, words and actions will easily be successful. For this, be one who stays in solitude. Slogan is, once you have made a mistake, repeatedly to think about it means to continue to put a stain on top of a stain. Therefore, put a full stop to the past. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Remain constantly victorious with the awareness of the combined form. Just as the soul and body are combined at the present time, in the same way, let yourself and the Father remain combined. Simply remember, my Baba. Constantly wear your tilak of companionship on your forehead. You can never forget your Suhag, husband, your companion. So always keep your companion with you. If you stay with him, you will go back with him. You have to stay with him and go back with him. He is with you at every second and in every thought.